Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to this e-learning class. Hope you all are doing well at home, completing your work regularly and studying well at home. Now students, today we are going to learn new lesson in our grammar. So in grammar, today we are going to learn lesson number 10. The name of the lesson is doing words. So let's start. First of all, let's read these sentences in our textbook. Lesson number 10, doing words. Read these sentences. So sentence number 1, Rina pushes the shopping trolley. The baby crawls around the house. The rabbit runs fast. So students, here you can see the words pushes, crawls and runs. These all words are known as doing words. So doing words means the activity or the action which we are doing every day and always is called doing words. For example, let's read these sentences. Read the following sentences. Number 1, I walk to school every day. Number 2, the train runs on rails. Number 3, the fish swim in the sea. Number 4, it hops a lot. Number 5, the bell rang. Now students, here you can see the words walk, runs, swims, hops and rang. These all words are known as doing words because these words shows verb, means activity, means action. Okay. So in previous slide we see a few sentences. So the highlighted words in the above sentences tell us what the people and the things are doing. These words express an action. Words which show what people and things are doing are called verbs. They are also called action verbs, means doing verbs. Okay students? Now, what are doing words? So the words which shows that person, animal and things are doing are called verbs. They are also called action verbs, means doing verbs. So students, it is simple that the doing words means the words which are shows the activity are called doing words. Now, verbs. First of all, what is verbs? So verbs are important because they make a sentence complete. So students, without verb, we can't make a complete sentence. So verbs are very important. So the verbs, action verbs, doing verbs. So action verbs are called doing verbs or doing words. Here, what is a verb? So students, it is important to know the introduction about what is verb. So the words that name an action are called verbs. So students, the words which shows action are called verbs. And that is also known as doing words. For example, person, place, thing and animal. First of all, person, teaches, helps. So teacher is teaching. So teaches and helps, also known as verb. Now the place, announcement, passing of train. Here announcement and passing of train also a verb. Thing, tick-tock, rings. Here tick-tock and rings also verb. Animal, bark, bite. Here bark and bite also a verb. So student, teaches, announcement, tick-tock, bark, these all words are also known as doing words. Okay. Now, doing words shown an action. So in previously I told you that doing words shows an action. For example, here you can see the boy is watching TV. In the another picture, the boy is listening music. Here, the girl is writing. Here, the boy is playing. So, students watching, listen, writing, playing, these all are also known as doing words. Here in this picture, you can see what is mummy doing? Cooking. So, cooking is doing word. Here, the baby is crying. What does baby is doing? Yes, the baby is crying. So, crying is doing word. Now, next, the boys are flying kites. What does boys are doing? Yes, boys are flying kites. So, flying is doing word. Deepak is reading a book. What does Deepak doing? Deepak is reading book. So, reading is doing word. Now, Sunil is sleeping. What did Sunil is doing? He is sleeping. So, sleeping is doing word. Rathika is driving a car. What did Rathika is doing? She is driving car. So, driving is doing word. Now, so student, in previous sentences we learned cooking, crying, flying, reading, sleeping and driving. These all words are known as doing words, which shows action, right? So now, in short, doing words means the words which tells our action is a doing word. So simple student, the word which tells our action is a doing word. For example, she reads books. So reads is doing word. Madan plays football. So plays is doing words. Now next, the word which tells our action is doing words. For example, the lion roars. Roars is doing word. I pray every day. Pray is doing words. Okay. Now students, after understanding the concept of doing words, let's do this exercise from our textbook. So exercise number A, circle the doing words in these sentences. So students, here 8 sentences are given. In these sentences, you have to circle the doing words. So number 1, Gunjan eats noodles. So here, eats is a doing word. So circle on the word eats. Number 2, Namrata climbs a ladder. Here the word climbs is doing word. So circle on the word climbs. Number 3, Sam drinks tea with his breakfast. Drinks is doing word. So circle on the word drinks. Number 4, the boys fly a kite on the roof. So fly is doing word. So circle on the word fly. Number 5, I go to the playground every day. So go is doing word. So circle on the word go. Number 6, Alia sits on the first bench in the class. So sits is doing word. So circle on the word sits. The lion roars at the elephant. So roars is doing word. So circle on the word roars. Mohan drives his car to the hospital. Drives is doing word. So circle on the word drives. Now students, exercise B. Look at the picture. Complete these sentences with the correct doing words from the box. Number 1, the boy and the girl chase some butterfly. So your chase is doing word. Now second, please ring the bell. In this picture you can see a person is ringing a bell. So ring is doing word. Number 3, the children play in the park all evening. Here in this picture you can see few children are playing in the park. So play is doing word. Number 4. Mother read and I push the car. Here in this picture you can see few ladies are pushing the car. So push is doing word. The girls talk to each other. In this picture you can see two girls are talking. So talk is doing word. Grandmother listened to a song. Here you can see the grandmother is listening a song. So listen is doing word. Tarun and Paul walk back home from school. So walk is doing word. Number 8. Fish swim in the sea. So swim is doing word. Now students, understand the concept from the video and complete your homework you have received. Thank you.